Hi, today we are going to see about PowerPoint designs. How to apply various designs in PowerPoint. This is a very easy option in PowerPoint, and let us see how we can do designs in PowerPoint. Let us see the video. Designs in PowerPoint. Design templates contain color schemes, slide and title masters with custom formatting and styled fonts designed for a particular look. When you apply a design template to your presentation, the slide master and color scheme of the new template replace the slide master and color scheme of the original presentation. Now, let us see how to apply design in PowerPoint presentation. There is an option called design. In this you have different types of designs. Suppose if you want to click this, that design will be appearing. So I'm going to click this one. So you can see their design is changing. You can see I will show in the title slide. You can see the changes will be visible to you. See how the changes are there. You can see here the title slides and other slides. I'm applying different designs. You can see here. So you can select different designs. You can see there are different types of slides are available. You can select this. You see here. So suppose if you want other designs, you can select this. You can also browse for themes, different themes online. You can select. So you can see here. In this slide, the slide number is appearing here in this theme. Okay, you can see here. The slide number is appearing at the top. Let me select this, how it works. Yeah, the slide number is appearing at the right bottom corner. You can also change the colors. Okay, so if you want a different variant, you can give that variant. The same theme, you can go for different variants. You can also change the colors, different colors. If you can change, it will be good. So which type of colors you want, that will be applied in all the slides. So effects also, you can see different effects can be applied here. The slide size, you can see here, a standard size is 4:3, and widescreen you can apply for widescreen 16:9. Formatting the background, okay, you can give gradient, you can give picture, you can select pattern fill, you can select whichever type of pattern if you want. You can select that pattern will be available. And the background color also you can change, foreground color you can change. So this is the formatting the background. Okay, in design you have all these options. You can use these options effectively. For more videos like this, subscribe our channel EduCrawl. You can forward this video to all your friends and relatives.